Good medical morning. Today, we're going to look at the most inspiring body transformation images I've ever seen. These are some of my favorites of all time, very inspirational and represent a lot of hard work and dedication. Leave a comment below with your weight loss goals and click like for these body transformation superstars. Here we go, enjoy the images. Also, if you're interested in losing weight, maybe it's time to get an appetite suppressant. Appetite suppressants really work, and I'll put a link to my favorite below. It's energizing and doesn't make you nauseated. It's called Thynergy, and it gets my personal seal of approval. Thanks for watching.
Hi guys, this is Alexa with a shout out for the team at Thynergy. You guys are helping people lose weight so they can look great. Keep working hard for those beach bodies to make this year your best one ever. Make every day count, and I love every single one of you. Thank you guys. Love, Alexa.